Okay, welcome guys to the next tutorial. So today we're going to be looking at dropping objects that are soft. I basically got a cube here. I just put the default cube on the bottom for you guys, so that's just like our collision point. I've also labeled this as a collision in the physics tab right there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to get an icosphere, and we're just going to look at soft objects. Basically, the object's just going to land and it's just going to be squishy. So this would be perfect if you've got like any kind of anime kind of stuff and you've got like these kind of, I don't know, replications of soft toys or something, and you just want like a kind of squishy kind of feel to everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to go, so we got this one on collision from the physics tab right here. This one, we're going to put it down as cloth. And so if we just press the space bar real quick, it should come down. It just kind of squishes and it kind of melts. So we don't want it to go through, but we want some sort of stability here. So we can mess around with the weight a little bit. You can get it like really heavy. It kind of just squishes down. I think having a plane is probably best for this. I'm just going to switch this out for a plane actually. Mesh plane, let's see what we can do with this. We'll put this as collision. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so you can see that it kind of becomes real squishy. So, if we click on the icosphere again, we can do, you've got steps, you've got all sorts here, you've got tension. Let's put the tension up a little bit. It kind of just folds in. But yeah, you can like reduce this. You can have like a 1.1 kilogram. And it kind of just like bounces. If we take that up a little bit more, maybe. So just pull that up a little bit more. Let it go. We kind of just have this bounce to it. Now you just mess around with the settings. See what you want to start with. Let's see. So I could do internal springs, could turn these up a little bit, see what happens. But yeah, that's basically how you do kind of like squishiness. So if you've got like a plushie toy or something, and you want it to kind of bounce and squish, that's how you do that. Thank you guys for watching. That's the end of the tutorial. Please subscribe, like, follow, wherever you're watching this. I'll see you in the next one. So I'm just going to go do a quick one right now. So these are bouncing apples. So I'm just going to go over to my physics tab. We'll have these as cloth. Have that one as cloth. I don't know how well this is going to work, but like, I'm going to try it. Cloth, cloth. I think that smells cloth. Oh, okay. See what happens here. It's taking a while. I think I'm minus frames there. Oh yeah, minus 1.6. I should have got rid of the icosphere. Definitely. Oh! They've kind of got squashed there. Oh dear.